So I know this is a strange one now. So basically it's just proof of interaction.
I think it's okay.
By pushing in here, can you imagine something going on here, or does that just seem wrong? That's
as in like the force of whatever you're doing on
the
that one there.
The force of pushing in here to make something go along here, because basically.
And the harder the force.
The harder the force, the more crazy or whatever would be going on here. Like for instance, it's based on the black hole of the blazar. So like in physics, when the blazar is spinning around, it's sucking in, you know, the galaxy, meteorites, all this shit, and relative to what it sucks in is what it spits out. So that's the physics side behind it, which is like the real logic. But this is just on an interactive perspective. So just like for physics, like turning on a light switch or whatever. So just to do that doesn't make sense to you. So I don't know. I've got the camera there. So if you wanna, whenever you've written your name, just.
Wait.
You can go try it. Like just it'll. Yeah.
Just for camera.
Yeah, it's basically just it doesn't make sense to push in that and to see something go along that.
Yeah. Yeah, it does.
Okay, so.
Understand.
Yeah.
Can I do yes
Yeah.
or no?
Well, just go up and
Oh,
I'm just filming just to show people actually.
Separate things.
Like basically that would be the blazar on that one, which is what I showed you. And you know the big blue bit coming out the middle of it, the blue line.
Yeah.
That would be on this bit then.
So basically this thing would be in this.
It would be in the center of that.
Separated,
Yeah.
would it?
Yeah. No.
And can a number of people have interacted at the same time?
Yeah.
Because the only thing I'd be like, if you're here and you're focusing on here, would your attention, like if you're
That's
going
the
like
thing,
that,
yeah.
would your attention
Or
go
if a
back
few
here?
people are doing it,
Yeah.
one person going slow, one going fast. Would that
You'd have to
be
maybe
Well, it would just
like
be-
added this kind of to see.
Like that's why it's so long, because it's just that was the kind of idea
to
behind that.
emphasize it.
But honestly, just write whatever you think. You know, this is completely like non-biased. It's your opinion. It's completely fine. If you don't think it is, it's perfectly fine.
So we start doing yes or no on this, is it?
Yeah, and then there's a Y then underneath. You know what I mean? And I can give another sheet of paper if you want.
Ah, I understand.
It would be good if it was like a semicircle that you stepped into and then you could see that it was kind of like
Something happening on the ground.
around. So you're kind of like you're in the focus around.
You're in the thing.
Yeah. Or yeah. No.
Well, if you want to write that down, it's perfectly cool. Because this is the whole thing. It's just to find out what people. Well, this final product was supposed to be like an art installation where someone's wearing an Oculus Rift, and what they're seeing is that animation like in their head straight up, and then what they're seeing is also on this screen, and by people pushing into the screen, it's changing what's happening in the Rift, but it's also causing interactions along the materials.
Who teaches you
Is
this?
there movement
No one.
flaws?
No one.
Yourself.
A lot of the stuff you do in final year stuff you teach yourself.
Yeah.
We'll stand out.
Or
though,
physical
that's good.
computing. Huh?
Hmm?
We'll stand out.
But now, is we were originally going to have it like this, but now what it's changed to is imagine this is the small scale, so imagine this is like about that big, and pretty much you'll sit down in a chair, you'll put the Oculus Rift on, this will be in front of you like that, and then everyone else in the gallery will be on the other side of this, be on this side. So what you see through the Oculus is being projected onto this, and then everyone else is seeing that from this side, but when they interact with the screens, it changes what you're seeing in the Rift, so it like would fire a black hole, like, you know.